Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha were suspended for the day after being adjourned twice on Wednesday amid ruckus over demand by the opposition on Gautam Adani indictment issue in US. This follows the opposition MPs submitting notices to move adjournment motions in both the lower and upper houses to raise concerns about issues such as the situation in Manipur, the Adani indictment, and the ongoing violence in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. In the Rajya Sabha, the chair rejected all of the 18 adjournment motions on various issues. After the opposition protested the chair's move to decline the suspension of the day's business, the upper house was adjourned till 11:30 a.m. and later for the day. The Lok Sabha, on the other hand, saw protests from the opposition members on the issue of Gautam Adani's indictment in the US. After the House convened at 11, it was adjourned till 12 p.m. after a brief meeting. After the House reassembled when the protests did not subside, the Speaker adjourned the House for the day. The House will reconvene on Thursday at 11 a.m. The winter session of Parliament began on November 25, with both houses adjourning early due to disruptions. The session will continue until December 20.